the third and final Skybound mystery box. So, yeah, let's check it out. See what we got. So my other two boxes were good, not great, not as good as the last time around, where I got I ended up getting the 9/8 15th anniversary. Was it the 15th anniversary First Michonne Virgin variant, J. Scott Campbell cover, a Walking Dead Deluxe red foil variant. I mean, those grab bags were just out of control. So I got another Walking Dead tote, and this one's out of the bag, so I can kind of check it out. It's actually not bad. Nice little tote bag. Probably go to my kids. Some more coasters. Same ones. Pins. Outcast trading cards. Pins. I'm going to show they're all the same. Yep. All the same pins. Omni-Man, Zombie, etc., etc. Okay. Oh, cool. Bookmark. That's pretty cool. I do like that. I'll put that aside for my omnibuses that I read. Okay. First up, Walking Dead punk rocker. Kyle Barnes from Outcast. Let's see. I'm not sure if you could see him good, but Kyle Barnes from Outcast. Abraham Purple. The other two I had were glow in the dark, so I don't know what the difference between the colors is. Let's see here. Invincible. The Governor again, which is really cool. Really like that Governor one. Let's see. Die. My desk is packed with crap. Super fight stuff. I'll get rid of those. Lucille Bat again. Oh, cool. My graphic novel is different. Witch Doctor Volume 1. That's cool. I'll probably read that one. My graded comic is the same one. 9/8 reprint of issue 2. Chris Sammy cover. And I ended up getting a same one, issue 2 blind bag. Let's see what I got. The Virgin color variant. Cool. So all in all, not a bad. Another pretty good box. Oh, my poster is same one. Walking Dead All Out War. So all in all, not bad. I got some figures, graphic novel, CGC graded book. So yeah, and a tote bag again. Coasters. So yeah, I'll take that. All in all, not bad. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.